Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Raycon Everyday earbuds to iPhone, quick fix step by step clearly. First, ensure your Raycon Everyday earbuds are fully charged. To begin, locate your iPhone and access the settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You will see a list of available devices. Next, take your Raycon Everyday earbuds out of the charging case. Press and hold the multifunction button on the earbuds for about 3 seconds. Look for the LED light to start blinking red and blue. This indicates that the earbuds are in pairing mode. Return to your iPhone and watch for the Raycon earbuds to appear in the list of devices. Once they appear, tap on the name to connect. After a few seconds, you will see a confirmation message indicating the connection is successful. Your Raycon Everyday earbuds are now connected to your iPhone. You can begin enjoying your favorite music or podcasts seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, try resetting the earbuds. To reset, press and hold the multifunction button for 10 seconds. Repeat the pairing process if necessary. Now you're ready to enjoy your Raycon Everyday earbuds with your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.